First of all, when you open After Effects you see the Start window. Here you can create a new project or open an existing one. Also the last projects you open will be displayed in this part of the window. Click Create a new project. The first step is to create a new composition. To do this, click on this icon. In the window that appears we can adjust the size of our composition in width and height. If you tick the lock aspect ratio, then the size of one side changes proportionally to the another. Here we adjust the frame rate of our composition. In this window we adjust the duration. For example, let's put 20 seconds. You can import files, photos, videos, music by right-clicking and selecting Import. After that, select the files you need and click Open. Or just double-click on the project panel. Now I'll tell about the main windows and panels. This is the timeline. All the layers of your main composition will be displayed here. Here you can edit these layers. Now let's talk about main tools. This is the selection tool. It is analogous to the mouse cursor, but in After Effects. By select it, we can move around the program. This is the hand tool. By selecting it, we can move the window with the composition as we like. This is the anchor point. To show what it is, I'll go ahead and create a shape using the rectangle tool. This is the anchor point. Now if we expand the transform menu and rotate our shape, we will see that it rotates around this point. Now if we put a point in the center of the shape and repeat the action, we will see that the rotation occurs relative to the center. This is the type tool. It creates the text. On the right side, the character menu opens, in which we can set the basic settings for our text. We can set the size of the text, letter spacing, line spacing, font and style, and the color of the text. Now let's talk about the panels displayed on the right side. It is the Effects and Presets panel. It contains animation effects and presets for editing your own materials. With Align you can align your element to the composition. Or if you select two elements you can align them relative to each other. The paragraph menu allows you to align your text to the center, left or right edge. Now I want to show you an extension that makes working in After Effects much easier and faster. This is EasyEdit Viewer. You can download it at EasyEdit.pro. Link in the description for this video. You can download the extension for Mac OS and Windows. Also here you can find projects available for EasyEdit Viewer. I already have one of these projects installed. This is Hyper. Contains all the most important and useful things to be the coolest video creator. For example, I select the typography category, I import the shot I like and can edit it to fit my needs. In the preview menu, you can select the quality of the preview played. Use these arrows to move one frame forward or backward. Or even jump to the first or last frame. We can also specify the value of skipping the number of keyframes, for faster loading of our preview. In the Essential Graphics panel, you can edit the composition as you like. You can change any text, its size, position, and choose the colors you like. Also, using these sliders, you can edit the time and duration of the animation appearance. To render video, go to Composition, add to Adobe Media Encoder Queue. Choose H.264 format. Check the box Use maximum render quality. Name your video. Click Render button. We also suggest watching our tutorial about rendering in After Effects. Thanks for watching.